Hi, my name is Jon Svitak with the Shannon Law Group, and our firm helps people recover financially and emotionally after experiencing side effects or injuries due to vaccinations. And we do this by filing for compensation through the Vaccine Injury Compensation Program. So today we're going to talk about the Varicella vaccine, which protects against the varicella zoster virus, better known as the chickenpox. And typically, the chickenpox vaccine or the varicella vaccine will be given to children 2 doses before they turn 6 years old. And most of the time, they're not going to experience any significant side effects, maybe a fever, maybe some soreness or redness at the injection site. But otherwise, after a couple of days, they should be good as new. However, in rare occasions, the varicella vaccine can cause significant injuries. And those injuries are covered under the Vaccine Injury Compensation Program. They include SIRVA, which is shoulder injury related to vaccine administration. And typically we'd see this in adults because the administration of the vaccine is done on their shoulder, and it causes inflammation of their shoulder joint. So the tendons, the ligaments, or the bursa become inflamed and injured. And as long as your symptoms persist for at least 6 months, you may be eligible for compensation. Another condition associated with the varicella vaccine is actually just a vaccine strain viral disease. So you would develop the varicella illness after receiving the varicella vaccination. And if that occurs within 7 and 42 days after the vaccination, it's presumed that it's the vaccine strain that caused it. 2 other injuries associated with the varicella vaccination include anaphylactic shock and fainting. So if either of these conditions are caused by the varicella vaccination, then you may be eligible for compensation. So how does it work? How do you get compensation? Well, you would file a petition with the Vaccine Injury Compensation Program alleging that the varicella vaccine caused one of these conditions. And as long as you can meet the criteria set forth on the vaccine injury table, then there's a presumption that the vaccine caused your injury, and you would be entitled to certain kinds of compensation. The compensation that you would be entitled to includes any out-of-pocket medical expenses, any lost wages or earnings, and pain and suffering up to a limit of $250,000. Now, attorney's fees are covered by the program. So if you get an attorney to help you prepare the petition, file the petition, and advocate for you, while the petition works its way through the program, you're not going to pay that attorney anything. They're paid through the Vaccine Injury Compensation Program as well. When it comes time to resolve your case, you can either reach a settlement with the government on the value of your damages, on the value of your out-of-pocket expenses, lost wages and earnings, or pain and suffering. Or if you can't reach a settlement with the government, there is a judge assigned to your case that will resolve any disputes between yourself and the government and ultimately award you compensation if you can't reach a settlement with the government. If you or a loved one has experienced an injury or an adverse reaction to a vaccine, please call us for a free consultation. We'd be happy to discuss your options with you. You can call us at 312-578-9501.